We'll guide you through how to fix the issue of Google Drive videos still processing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Locate the video that's stuck processing. Click on it to open the video preview. You might notice the video is still not playing. A common solution is to download the video to your computer and then re-upload it. So, look for the download icon in the top right corner of the preview window and click it to download the file. Once the download is complete, delete the original video from Google Drive to avoid confusion. Now, go back to your Google Drive and click on the NW button, then select File Upload. Find the downloaded video file on your computer and upload it back to Google Drive. This often resolves the processing issue as the file gets a fresh start. Another tip is to check your internet connection. Slow or unstable connections can cause processing delays, so make sure your connection is stable. Also, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. This can sometimes help with loading and processing issues. Just go to your browser's settings, find the Privacy and Security section, and then clear browsing data. Select the options for cookies and cached images and files. After doing these steps, refresh your Google Drive to see if the issue is resolved. If the video still doesn't process, it might be a problem with the video format. Consider converting the video to a more compatible format like MP4 before uploading again. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.